Here's the center, step in, weave in, and he goes over. Will that be the winner? Sabah.
දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස්ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස්ටෙක් ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණය.
As St. Peter's College host Wesley in what would look like a winner take it all into the next round of the Dialogue Schools Rugby League. We have a look at the Wesley team sheet. Unchanged from the previous game with Rahman, Rahul and Hapugala in the front rows, Silva and Shalom in the second rows with Liam. For St. Peter's College, we have quite a massive front row as Revon Pereira and Janik are in the lock-in combination. Ranasinghe, Pereira and Madugaske. The game off as he puts it high, hanging deep into the 22 as the Wesley forwards are well and truly away. Wadud to the line.
Advantage.
Delai picks out
Offside.
his big forwards as the referee's arm comes out for an advantage. Keeping it close with the forwards. Knocked on unfortunately by Shalom as
Offside.
the referee will go back for the penalty advantage. Fawaz Mohammed for the first points of the Alumex penalty. The crowd behind the post says it all. Wesley College get off the mark with that early penalty as another Kawani scrum goes the way of Wesley College as they do not have the option of going out on the full, so they put it up high. Kick charge down. Now here's an opportunity for Wesley College. They get the boot in. That is Ayan as he scores the first Amana Bank try. That's the opening try in the game. The referee says we'll have a look at that. Has been awarded. Yes, it has. As the Amana Bank try as they extend their lead further. But this was the charge down. From then on,
Form the timing.
Ayan was no doubt having the advantage with the foot race, and the bounce of the ball went his way. So the
Hold.
Rexona line out secured.
Get back.
Maul not surprising us as here goes Wesley being driven back, and that's the first Amana Bank try for St. Peter's College. The home team, they make easy work out of this Wesley forwards, crashing down from the tail of it. As we have a look at it, Sudarshan.
Yeah, the skipper was right behind it. Take a look at that. The man right at the back getting the ball, and it was the foot drive. No stopping that. No forwards behind that maul for Wesley College. Conceding.
Brought down. Wadud goes to the line. Shifan Intikab. Through the hands they go. Here's an opportunity. High tackle coming in all day long. Wadud opting to go for the boot. Let's have a look. Shifan Intikab through the pass through the hands.
Forward man.
Not the best of passers, but he did well to grasp it and was the referee is going to his pocket, and the yellow card has been shown. Taken quickly by Intikab, trying to run. Why did he do that? Well, only he will know. Fawaz going down.
Really hope that sanity prevails this time. Kaisalai just takes the tap and kicks it out. Decides, let's go into this half-time with the lead. 8 points to 5 is how it finishes. It was a messy game, Romario, in the first 35.
8 points to 5 in favor of the visitors.
Perfectly Swisstech Aluminium. නඩත්තු වියදම් නැති ජාත්‍යන්තර සහතික සමග වසර 30ක් දක්වා වගකීමක් ඇති Swisstech Aluminium. ඔබත් කොටේෂන් එකක් අරගෙන බලන්න.
Did very well to call that half as they kick deep.
Restart collected and returned. Find some holes. They were unsuccessful during that first half. apart from that first try. But here's an opportunity. Running through, getting the ball away, but left behind. This will be controversial, but has the try been awarded?
Lakadur Ranasinghe, the man who pounced on that ball, but Jamal, did he lose it forward? Referee will want to have another look at that. Or no, the try has been awarded. The Amana Bank try number 2 for St. Peter's College in trekking back.
Conversion successful. As we have a look at that replay, well, we will not be able to say much from this angle, but that was a break. And there you go. That was the ball. Well shot this time as Ryan gives it out to the skipper. Playing with fire. Whoa! Boy, oh boy! This looks quite bad.
Direct contact next. Right? Red card.
Yes, that's a red. It'll only be one of the arch rivals that will go into the cup segment. It's going to be interesting to see
Right play.
what that one turns out, because there's a red card there as well up at the complex.
Right.
And there.
That time it was
Get back.
Aaron.
Get back. All offside. Number 17. 3.
Home
Offside.
side have an advantage.
Repeated top side. Pangiwa. Right. Yellow card.
Indeed, the referee's patience surely has run thin. Ryan with a lovely cutout. Here's an opportunity with the goose step. Prarthana Rodrigo unfortunately loses his footing, but he does really well, does Prarthana Rodrigo. Boy, oh boy, what are you doing on the floor?
Off
Cynical, you could say.
Hey, I think referee needs to advance 10 meters. That's absolutely cynical. Rugby is a game that's played on
Number 9.
feet and not on the floor. And yes, correct call now made.
Repeated.
Absolutely the
Misconduct.
correct call
Second time misconduct.
Indeed,
to try and pull this one back.
absolutely.
Sempit, here, take a look at that. He was tackling the ball on the floor. There. There is no way you're going to.
Secure possession. They have been marched back out of the 22. The only consolation is that they have possession on their side.
Play on.
It has been turned over not once but twice. Now Kaisalai to Fawaz Mohammed. He has Prarthana Rodrigo on the outside. Fawaz Mohammed to the corner. He goes and scores an Amana Bank try. What a piece of play there by Fawaz Mohammed. Big players step up at big moments, and that's exactly what he does, Sudarshana.
Through. Quick ball from Lai. Fawaz had Rodrigo on the outside, but they need him. Goes all the way. And the Wesley faithful are delighted. Capitalize here. No contest. Cleanly collected by Wesley.
Maul secured as the Pete Wright defense
Get back.
is petering out.
Advantage. Number 8 side
An
entry.
advantage coming.
Number 8.
Wesley College not going anywhere
Number 8.
as the referee says that there is
Second
no
time
advantage.
side entry.
And now
Second
their
time.
skipper receives
Side
marching orders.
Currently putting a man out and 2 yellows now. I beg your pardon, 12. So 3 men out.
Fawaz, was it still with possession? Yoshita taking it up into contact this time around, isolated, and the turnover goes the way of St. Peter's.
10 okay.
I think Wesley needed to make better decisions as St. Peter's look to run from end to end. Here's an opportunity. Fresh legs on the park. Just stopped inside the 22 meters. Needed to release that ball. Opportunity for the Pete Wrights.
Taken and going from left to right, from one side to the other. Here's the center, step in, weave in, and he goes over. Will that be the winner? Sabah. Boy, oh boy. Amanabad try in the dying embers. And the fans erupt here at Bambalapitiya.
Number 15. Hey.
If that's a
Captain, may I get
try,
your hand?
it hasn't been awarded by the referee still. It was that man, Sabah, who went over.
Wait. Time off.
Here are the Petrites. Now going on to the short side, looking to run outside. Runs outside.
Okay. Right. Match over.
And that's full time. St. Peter's, despite being down 2 men for largely the entirety of the second 35, get the win. All important win. And we'll take 5 points forward and not 6. They didn't secure the bonus point, the Petrites, but they will be elated and delighted that they managed to get the win against an opposition who was the strongest in their group.
Before that though, let's have a look at the stats. 17 points played, 13, 3 tries versus 2, 1 conversion for St. Peter's College. Wesley did not manage a single conversion, but they managed a penalty which at the end was not enough. The Swiss Tech perfect player of the match was Rashwin Sabah, the center, who made 1 try and scored the winner.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් එකක් නැද්ද මුදලාලි? අතන කඩේ 140ක් දෙන්නම් කිව්වා.
බෑග් වල බොරු ගණන් ගහලා පස්සේ ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් දෙන දේවල් මාගාව නෑ මහත්තයා.
ඔබේ නිවසේ පරිපූර්ණ නිමාවකට දවටනේ නියම මිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක් නිෂ්පාදන මිලදී ගන්න. ස්විස් ටෙක් ගන්න ඕනේ හොඳම තීරණය.